Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to send Bitcoin from your SafePal wallet to your Cash App in just a few simple steps. If you've been wondering how to move your crypto safely and quickly, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do it with confidence. Step 1, open SafePal and start the transfer first. Open the SafePal mobile app on your phone. Once you're on the homepage, select Bitcoin from your wallet list. Tap on Send, then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Don't worry about the address yet. We'll grab that from Cash App in the next step. Step 2, get your Cash App Bitcoin address. Now, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap on the bank icon on the bottom left, then select Bitcoin. Scroll down until you see more ways to get Bitcoin and tap on Deposit Bitcoin. This will show you your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Tap Copy Address so you can use it in SafePal. Step 3, complete the transfer in SafePal. Go back to the SafePal app and paste the Bitcoin address you just copied into the recipient field. Double check that the address matches. Accuracy is critical here because crypto transactions can't be reversed. Once you're sure, hit Send to confirm the transaction. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After a short processing time, your Bitcoin will appear in your Cash App wallet. From there, you can choose to hold it as Bitcoin or convert it into cash directly inside the app, making it ready for spending or withdrawal. And that's it. You've just transferred Bitcoin from SafePal to Cash App. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick crypto and finance tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to help.